Now, if you're wondering why we're adding all these little plugins, it's absolutely crucial to have a properly optimized website that's set up in a way to start getting quality traffic. It's imperative that you get your website visitors on your email list. This way you can start to build trust and relationships and ultimately buyers. You need to write that down, underline it, frame it, whatever it's going to take to let that sink in. Now, this was a huge mistake I made when I first started out, and a lot of people make this mistake as well. You've got to get people on your email list. If not, more than likely, they're just going to come to your site once and probably not return. See ya! You know what it's like. It's just the way it is. So you got to get people on your email list. This is so important. And this is what the hybrid homepage is specifically designed to do, to get people to sign up. This is why it's so effective. It sets you up in a way to authentically connect with your visitors' needs, getting them really dialed in and deeply engaged, and most importantly, subscribing to your website. So this way, once you connect through email, you can continue the conversation based on your visitors' specific interest. And then you can continue to send out emails using the Content Accelerator. You see how this is coming together? And this leads us nicely to our next plugin, which is called ConvertKit. So head up here to Add New, and then just type in ConvertKit. Go ahead and install now, and then activate. Now, ConvertKit is an email service provider. This is how you're able to send and receive emails, and this plugin right here allows you to easily integrate forms into your site. And we're going to start with that right now, and you're about to see. I hope you're having some fun with this. I know this is a lot of stuff, and these concepts are new to you, so I ask that you just be patient with yourself, have some fun with this. You're going to thank yourself that you went through this, and you'll put in the work to not only serve you, but serve your audience as well. It's good stuff. Just honor the learning journey. It's just part of the process. So we're making some great progress here, and you'll see how this all lands and comes together as we get closer towards the end of this video. So in saying that, now that we have this plugin activated, which will allow us to create email forms on our site, we have to connect it with an email service provider so we can begin to collect email subscribers, send and receive emails. And to do that, we're going to head over to convertkit.com. Now, this is the ideal service to start email marketing with. And what I love about and what's ideal about ConvertKit is their platform is set up specifically for online content creators. So if you're looking to grow your website, blog, online business, this is for you. I've also previously recommended MailChimp too because it's also a great service. But for folks just starting out, it can be a bit overwhelming, a little complicated with a steep learning curve. The automations and email marketing tools you need to grow your website or blog are just simple to set up and on point with ConvertKit. So go ahead and follow along with me and click the link below this video to sign up for ConvertKit for free. And this is where you're going to get started with email marketing. And in case you're wondering why email marketing, well, again, it allows you to deeply engage with your website subscribers in terms of your website content and your products and services. And now this is the major benefit of the Content Accelerator. Tons of value an email away, allowing you to create quick cash windfalls. It's awesome. Now, this is killer because it allows you to stay in front of them with specific information they need help with and timely offers. So ultimately, you're establishing trust in more buyers. And all you have to do is press send. I love email marketing. It's so powerful, and pretty much the foundation of my business is run on email marketing. And remember, most of the time your website visitors will come to your website, usually not likely to return. And it's really important that you get people on your email list so you can continue that conversation, reach out to them with your content, your post, and market to them. And ConvertKit is the perfect tool to make that happen. Also, it's free to check out for one, and it's super easy to get up and going. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and sign up, and you're going to see how easy this is. Now, just click here, try for free, and then I am brand new. Yes, we have a website, WordPress, and just sign up. You're going to see just how easy this is. We're going to create a form, and what this is going to end up doing is attaching or integrating our form, our plugin, with ConvertKit. So ultimately, anytime someone signs up on our website, on the hybrid homepage, or wherever on the website, they will be passed through straight into ConvertKit. So this way you're able to, start marketing to these people or your new subscribers immediately, which is awesome. And this is the most effective way to do this. if you try to use other plugins or anything like that, you're having to glue a lot of different things together, and it just becomes just more resistant and there's more problematic. So I feel like this is the cleanest and easiest way, more straightforward way to do this. Okay, so go ahead and sign up. Okay, now watch how easy this is. We want to create a form. And you can watch this getting started when you want to later, but I'm going to show you how easy this is right now. So we can create this form right here. We want to create a form. We want to create, let's do an inline form, and we'll do this one right here. And we don't want this, your name. We will just go ahead and select in this field, and then we can delete field by selecting that. Okay, and then subscribe. We don't want to say subscribe. We'll just say get started now. Or show me how to make money online, show me, how to make money, something, a good call to action. Submit is garbage. Do not put that. Put a good call to action, something that's compelling, that's going to actually move people to want to subscribe. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and save, and it's that easy. Your form is done. Now what we want to do is integrate our account with the plugin. Okay, so make sure that's saved, and then head up to your account and go to account settings. And you can put some information here, but what we're looking for is the API key and the secret. So you have these two here. All right, so we're going to head back to our site, and you can go to the installed plugins if you're not there. That's where it will be, and you want to click on ConvertKit, and then click on Settings. And then we're just going to paste our API key in. So just copy this, head back, paste it in, paste it in. Okay, and then save changes. Okay, cool. Now, watch this, our default form, and I want you to pay attention here. See where it says default form? If I select our form, that's what it's called, Claire form, because I didn't name it, which I should have. You'll see right here. If I go back to, we're all done here, I believe save settings, okay. And if we go to, let me close this out, forms, there's our Claire form, okay. And you just click on that to edit it. So any form that you create, if you head back here and you refresh forms, you'll see it pop up in here. Now let me show you this. If you select none, so basically right here it says, if you wish to turn off form embedding or select a different form for an individual post or page, you can do so using the ConvertKit meta box on edit page. So what this means is that our choosing a default form will embed it at the bottom of every post or page. So if you select a form here and we save changes, it effectively, if we go to the site, it's going to embed the form right there on the bottom of every page or post, and you don't want to do that, okay? So we're going to do it manually, and I'm going to show you this in a second. So if I just go back, and then I just select none here, and then save changes, it should turn that off. And that's what we want. So go ahead and go back, and then head back to ConvertKit, and then all we want to do is click embed, and then WordPress, and then you just use this short code, and you put that wherever you want on your website, and I'm going to show you, so don't let that overwhelm you or anything. I'm going to show you, it's real simple how that's going to work. So we're going to manually place it in strategically where we want it, okay? So that's that. So we're squared away with ConvertKit and the ConvertKit plugin. So let's head back to the ConvertKit dashboard, and we are done for now with the plugins, and now this is where the rubber meets the road. I can't wait to show you this. We're going to start setting up your website, creating the hybrid homepage, getting it dialed in, creating micro funnels or your money pages, and just creating some rich content for your website with the Content Accelerator. Okay, so let's head back to the dashboard right here and click on home. Okay, good. We have no notifications. Now we want to head to pages and then all pages. And right now we want to select our home page, and then go ahead and select edit right here. Elementor is the main tool which makes creating a website easier than it has ever been. Literally, drag and drop and just click to edit anything on the page. And you'll soon see how great this is, especially with Envato Elements, which gives you ready-made websites to work with so you're not starting from scratch. It's awesome. You basically take a shortcut to success. Plus, these little Envato elements are completely customizable, so you can make something truly unique to you. So we're going to get started now with the hybrid homepage and adding different elements and bringing your new website to life. And before we get started, you can access all the resources that I've used to create this website, such as the images, the full transcript of this video, over at websitesmadeeasy.tv/your money-making website. Now let's get this page optimized to use with Elementor. So you want to head down here to the OceanWP settings right here. And right here it says header, click this. And then you want to disable this right here. And then header style, select transparent. Next, go down to title. And then you want to disable this right here. And then for footer, disable both of these. And then right over here at page attributes, select Elementor full width and then update this. And now this page is optimized for Elementor. And any page that we're going to create using Elementor, we're going to do the same thing with the OceanWP settings. So let's finish this off with the rest of the pages. So head back over here to pages, all pages. Oh, actually, let's update this real quick. Make sure you do that. Okay, we're all set there. Then all pages, select that. Then right under about, click edit. Then right here for header, select that and then disable. Change this to transparent. Then for title, you want to disable the title. And then for footer, disable both. And then for page attributes right over here, Elementor full width. And then update the page. And we're going to do this. We're going to skip the blog page because we're not going to use an Elementor template for the blog. And we will update the contact us page now. Okay, that's done. And then head back to all pages. And then go ahead and click edit there. And we'll do the same. So header, disable, make this transparent. Title, disable, and footer, disable, disable. And then we want to, under page attributes, Elementor full width, then update. We're all set. Perfect. Let's head back to all pages. Okay, awesome. So now time for the hybrid homepage. Now before we jump into that, let's go ahead and close out some of these tabs real quick. Okay. And what I want you to do is go ahead right here where it says home, right click this edit and open it up in a new tab. So we're going to be jumping back and forth here. I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, perfect. Now what we want to do is click edit with Elementor right here. Okay, awesome. Now this is the Elementor dashboard. This is where you'll select all the beautiful elements that are over on the toolbar here to create your website or your pages. And as you can see, there's so many things that you can pick from: videos, images, text editors, image galleries. I mean, just amazing things to create unbelievably gorgeous pages. And we're going to use this and Envato elements to create the hybrid homepage. So let's jump, before we jump in with Elementor, let's head back. And I want you to go down here and select elements right here. And go ahead and select this. And you can put an email address there. You want to make sure you agree to this and then continue. Now check this out. These are basically pre-built, full-on websites that you can import with one click straight into your website, creating websites like that or pages. And we're going to take bits and pieces from several of these to really create an unbelievable experience with the hybrid homepage. Okay? And I've picked the best ones I feel like are really going to create that deep engagement to get people to subscribe to your website and ultimately turn them into buyers.